my name is Trang Trong. Welcome to my class. For today's assignment, you guys will create a presentation on the Google Slide or PowerPoint. I will assign the different human organ for each group. For you guys' job, each other in your team decide who will cover what part on the presentation. Next, you guys need to use the search engine with Wikipedia or reliable sources to the research information. The presentation need to present all the questions that are listed below, right here. Please do not copy and paste the source. Use your own word. Make references follow ABA format. Here is an example of outline. So now I will show you guys the website that I think it is helpful for this assignment. You go to Google, type Kitopia. You see kitopia.info. Click on this. This website covers a lot of subjects that you want to choose. So this class is about biology. You need to click on science and technologies. Click on biologies. Click on human body. It will show you a reliable source that you can search for the information. So now I want to find about skin. So I will click on one of a website. I will choose Kid Health. Click on and find the article that cover my topic, that is skin. So here, skin. I will click on this hyperlink and it will show me the information about skin. Then I read through the article and find out what is skin, 3 facts about skin, and the function of the skin. So, thing to remember. Search the information on Kitopia. Find the assigned topic from a website, then write those information that you found in the slides. Please use your own word. If you want to choose different website besides Kitopia, you need to tell me first to get an approve. Ask me if you have any questions. Thank you.